Anti-LGBTQ plus discrimination has been a problem for a long time. Many people are afraid to come out of the closet and raise their voice, and in some cases, some are even forced back in. Out of the 1.6 million cases of youth homelessness, up to 40% of them identifies LGBTQ plus. That's up to 40,000 LGBTQ youths being kicked out yearly, and it's a big problem. It's all due to all the anti-LGBTQ plus discrimination from people and parents. But thanks to our amazing science team, we found a solution. Let me introduce you to acceptance cream.
Ugh, what do you mean you're a lesbian? Girls shouldn't like other girls. I'm your mother. I know what's best for my daughter.
Hey you! Is your mom discriminating against you for being LGBTQ plus?
Huh? Yeah, I guess. I just thought she'd be more understanding and supportive, you know? But deep down, I knew this was gonna happen. I just wish there's a way I could make her accept me, you know? Like some sort of magical product.
What if I tell you there was?
Huh? What do you mean?
Here, try this.
Acceptance cream. Are you sure this would work?
Who knows? You won't know until you try it.
I guess I don't have anything to lose. Mom? What do you want now? Mom? Are you okay? Never been better, kiddo. You know what? I don't care that you don't like boys. Keep being your beautiful gay self. Thanks, Mom. I really appreciate it.
As you just saw, it works in a matter of seconds. Get your own acceptance cream for as low as $3.99. Acceptance cream can't actually help against anti-LGBTQ plus discrimination. But there are other ways you can help against the situation. For example, signing petitions, speaking up when you see homophobic/transphobic violence, and even sharing the word with others helps.
So please help those who can't help themselves.